was talking about, the astounding factor. Look at that, beautiful to see. Commitment, absolute beautiful.
That's the centre mark.
Ajit, he was talking about, Daniel was saying that this is a rare sight for him. I mean, he's a world champion. You don't get this even in Australia.
Yes, coming from him, that's a huge statement. And I think here in Sri Lanka, we don't realize how big this game is. I think we need to go out to realize that this type of spectator interest does not happen in many other countries.
It doesn't happen anywhere in the world, Ajit. He was saying only rugby mad South Africa enjoys this sort of passion. Here's the River Sangha replay view. Look at that beautiful camera work.
That's wrong player. Defense by Trinity should have never touched him. You can't touch the player in the air. You can get a yellow card sometimes. It's termed dangerous play, Vimal.
Definitely, Ajit. I suppose this being the first incident, the referee is a little lenient on the issue, but whatever it is, the intensity of the game is such that players are getting a little carried away now.
Well, it's difficult not to get carried away, Ajit, because you know there's so much riding on this game, and Trinity really need to try and win this big W because it started their centenary celebrations, Ajit.
Yes, that's it, Chandushan. There's so much at stake here. This is going to be written down in history, and I'm sure the players are fully aware of that, and they want to win this game somehow, Chandushan. And things might get a bit desperate as we go on, as the scores are 5-10, very close for Trinity. They can catch up, but here we can see the intentions of Kingswood. They want to pull away Chandushan. Now these are very good decision because in the first half we saw that they did not take the penalties. They were going for the short taps and they were not very successful, but on the very last one they managed to score.
That's it. So Dev Anand now to try and put Kingswood a little bit further away. And of course, as you know, Singer is the principal sponsor here. Singer, who's instrumental in bringing school rugby onto the television screen, and as a #1 power brand, what can you say? Chairman Hemaka Amarasuriya and marketing director Asitabe Sekara, wonderful team there, and the decision is to support rugby to the hilt. Won't give up as Dev Anand angles in. My goodness, just inches away, inches. Just had the direction, didn't have the legs. Just
a sigh of relief by the Trinity players and spectators because that would have pulled Kingswood completely away from Trinity with 2 scoring opportunities. Now these are things that you cannot afford. Trinity need to clear from this area, and that would have been a good opportunity to clear from that area. But again, an unforced error, a bad kick there.
Offside, number 9.
Ajit, that's always a difficult story because really when the pressure happens, some players absorb it differently to others, and there you saw that. He's a number 10, he's with a restart, he needs to put the ball as far down the park as possible.
They have to play territories right now, Chandrashan, because the play gets stuck in one place, so territorial advantage is very important in this particular game.
Trinity have to get up the park now, Ajit. If they want to be constructive, they have to march themselves up the park into Kingswood's half and put some serious pressure.
Yes, again we see an error here, not finding touch, and the pressure is back on Trinity, and that's Anand giving a forward pass.
Terrible.
Leroy Fernando, smart as he is, he spots everything on the field, and that would have been a critical move if Leroy did not spot that.
Yes, Ajit, if you see Leroy Fernando at that particular point, he was in line where the ball goes. I mean, that's the most important thing. If the referee is in line with play, then he sees the forward pass much easily.
Nothing for the hook then.
So Trinity once again has the opportunity to make use of this ball, scrum ball, first place ball. Trinity looking a bit tired, Chandrashan. I feel that it's really telling on them. They need to get a second wind here in this game, and I believe that the forward should control this game. They seem to be...
Oh, Manikam just overshooting there, ran a little bit sideways. Talking about the fitness factor, I was talking to Nigel in training on Friday. There was a little bit of concern, but he felt that the lads would be able to sustain, possibly playing for a little bit longer than the 60 minutes. But today, with the pressure, of course, that absorption is a little bit different.
Yes, the mental pressure also has to be taken into account. That all tells in a game like this, and we see that Trinity are not as active as they were in the first half. They see some players standing up here and coming round again, get blown up if you come round like that. And we see Kingswood on the move here, like the fact that he is controlling the ball in this situation.
Oh, mistake. Vimal, talking about Dilroy having a good game, of course, a different story altogether. He's controlling the game.
There's your mark.
But how important it is to keep continuity.
Back.
I mean, that's what referee is there for, to facilitate the game and get it going. And the more you see him getting the ball, moving, the more you see better rugby going.
Beautiful. There's a replay of that. You can see the hands going in there. Referee Fernando on the spot. The hand coming in there. Very clearly evidence of the knock-on. Vimal, sorry. I'm just going to come back to you in a second. In terms of the referee's contribution to the game, he really needs, because otherwise, we were talking earlier on.
You can't sort it out. You got to sort it out, boys. You're going to get hurt, not me. One of you boys are going to get hurt.
Allow maximum
stay up,
advantage
Trinity.
to
Don't
get
go
the
down.
game going. And it's good to wait as much as possible before you call a move off. You should just let it go as much as possible when you see an offense and the other side making use of it. The advantage should be played to its maximum.
Very true. Trinity ball coming in. A replacement on the park, and of course, Vimal, tell me about the quality of Trinity so far that you've seen.
Looking at the game at the schoolboy level, I think Trinity has quite a good set of, they are very good in their skills, and they seem to be making use of them. But I think it's the pressure of the game, the pressure that's been put on them, that is taking a toll on them.
Well, the skipper has to play a critical part. Beautiful collection, under pressure. Look at that. Just maybe a bit forward.
Yes, bit forward there. You see that Trinity cannot run the ball. Every time they run it, there is a good defense out. So they either have to put it up over, or they got to bring it back to the forwards.
Here's that replay.
See, there are 5 kicks there.
Just out, I think. The referee saw that slightly before. So the scrum ball.
Don't keep your feet up.
You can hear the referee talking, Vimal.
I believe the forwards here, Vimal, sorry, that the forwards retain the ball. They look dangerous when they have the ball with them. The captain Imalkar is a strong player. He plays on his feet, and they are making use of this ball once again. The scrum half is under pressure, and this is Trinity on the move, and Manikam once again playing tirelessly. That's a good angle by number 15, and Trinity on the attack here, but interception by Kingswood. This is a tremendous game. The ball swinging either way. Once this way, the next moment the ball is going the other way. What a tremendous counter attack by Kingswood as they get their act together. Ball in the ruck there, perhaps by Trinity, and ball coming out again Trinity's way. This good ball for Trinity. A tremendous surge of play by Trinity, but okay, a bit of opportunist play there, but I think they could have picked it up and kept it in play. Lost the ball there, and it's
Don't have a ball. Holding on, says referee. Turnover. Beautifully done by Trinity. They need to strike hard because they need to unsettle Kingswood in their patterns of play. Ball.
That is
Unfortunate. Again, it's about the angle, Ajit.
Yes, their body angle is so high. Any knock would knock him off. Now there's no pressure on this at all. There's no support by Trinity. It's all Kingswood here, Kingswood jerseys. They're storming the Trinity territory here. I'm getting excited here because I feel that Trinity is throwing this game away. They need to organize themselves. And here is Dean. This is an impact player that Trinity has. He makes a huge impact when the ball in the hands. And they're on the attack.
He's done very well. He's settled the ball. He's set it up nicely. Now Trinity really have to make ground. Imalkar passing wide, but he just had numbers, so no way through there. Good defense, good pressure from defense from Kingswood coming in.
Ajit, when you look at this Trinity side, for some reason or other, I see that the 3/4 are taking more or less standing passes. If you watch them, they are not moving fast enough.
Yes, perhaps that may be true. I think they are lining very deep though. They have no reason to take standing passes.
Turnover ball again. Kingswood really are getting the numbers right. They're just asserting themselves now. Trinity looking a little bit stretched as Radna looks in. And he's got the legs. Has he got the distance? Oh my goodness!
This is Veeraratne once again, the highest try scorer for Kingswood last year.
I think just before that, is there a line out somewhere there? I think the referee's, the judge's flag is on there. I think he has stepped out.
Unfortunately, he has stepped 1 inch out. There he is.
What a strong boy he is. What a strong boy, because
Look at that.
these guys are truly defending. I mean, they didn't see the linesman.
Oh, beautiful.
He just ran through everybody.
Just a swerve, Ajit, and the ability to stay balanced and still go in. Look at the angle on that. Unfortunately, got it right.
Rahima be really feeling down on that.
I mean, it was a very good run, except for the fact that he has stepped out just before.
Yeah, let's see this.
Here's the other angle replay. Beautiful on Sirius
That's where he
TV.
steps out.
There you go.
On the line.
Touch it.
Great call by the touch that here. Bogamara Stadium is alive. That 5 points should be taken off the scoreboard. It should be 5-10. And Trinity is on the attack. Trinity, they had this type of play last year. They got their rhythm early in the season, and they were running from all kinds of angles. And if they can do this Trinity back in the game, they need to win this ruck here, and it's coming out. These great play, 3 phases by Trinity, and these knock-ons are unpardonable. It's unpardonable that you knock on like in a crucial stage like that. You can't afford to knock on a turnover ball under pressure.
Once you are up there with the ball, must keep the ball with you. Possession is vital in this type of game, especially when you are playing under so much pressure.
Look at that replay. You can see, Ajit,
Yes.
the pressure is on now. Both teams really pulling out because we've got time on the clock. Another 15 minutes to go, and that's about it. So really the fitness now comes into play. The mental capacity to absorb pressure and still perform according to instruction. Yes, Gayan, Naveen, the skipper. And Ajit talking about the pressure. Nitawala. It is 18 all.
Number 7.
Andy playing CH. 18 all. Heartbreaking news for CRFC.
Pressure cooker in both places.
Yes, Stebo.
Where are we now? Here we are. We see
Well,
the
the pressure cooker sponsored by Singer, of course.
There's a penalty there, Ajit, because
told you before the
at
match.
the scrum situation, the Trinity flanker was unbound.
This game brought to you live on Sirius TV, the home of rugby, the home of live rugby, and Singer, Sri Lanka, sponsors for Candy as well. And here today, bringing the game to you live. So the pressure cooker situation, Singer doing some amazing pressure cookers. So there you go. It's very much in keeping, sorry about the pun, kicking distance 40 meters, 10-5.
Maybe Singha can get on from there and make an advertisement of that. This is Dev Anand for 40 meters. What a great attempt he's going to make here.
He's capable, Ajit. He's got the legs. Has he got the direction?
It's coming, it's coming. Rejoicing for Kingswood here. What a great attempt, what a great decision by the captain to give this penalty to this young man.
Yes, Ajit, when we look at the recent past, when you look at the number of matches that even at the club level that they have not taken the decision to take the penalties and put points on the court, at the schoolboy level, the fact that they are taking their decisions is good for rugby.
Yes, indeed, that's a great captaincy.
Knock back.
The Kingswood captain, I think he's doing a great job here for Kingswood. He's Naveen Vijay Tunga. He's playing well, he's making the correct decisions for Kingswood.
Offside.
He's controlling the game very well for Kingswood. No wonder this school has been on top of the rugby for 3 years.
Absolutely, Ajit, and I think it's all about the experience and the lads functioning under pressure. That's what Naveen brings to the game. He's a prop.
That just will keep the 10 meters.
Outside the
10 meters you
scrum,
must
wonderful.
get back.
Yes, I think he knows it all. He knows how to cope up with it. He maintains his composure very well.
And Ajit,
Great
pressure
control.
seems to be saying on Trinity. There was a penalty, then neither did they get 10 meters back, and once again Kings would get another 10 meters out of that earlier penalty of not joining to the ruck after the tackle, incorrect joining.
The more important, Ajit, of course, is the fact that Naveen didn't take the earlier kick when they had the opportunity. They tried to run underneath the post, and he made up for it. Unbelievable that Devanand lived up to his expectations.
Give me half a
And
meter.
I think he settled down. He realized that they have to get points on the board. Turn pressure into points. Great captaincy, great example of leadership here by the Kingswood captain. We see that this event is now coming to its last few minutes. We cannot forget the scrummage, the Trinity scrummage with Chris Halangoda, Ashan Ratwate, Ashan's brainchild in fact this game, and Chris did a great job in picking it up and getting a great committee, especially Naveen Vetasingha as Kingswood goes for another score here. Tremendous pressure on the Trinity line once again, Chandushan.
Yes, absolutely, and Imaga Madhumabadaben is the skipper coming across, doing a heroic job of rescuing and cleaning up there, because really under pressure, Trinity really under pressure. Look at that little touch from Gayan Meerratne. Beautiful, deft little touch, but unable to collect cleanly. And there's Imalka
Yes, he's
cleaning
having a
up.
great game.
Solid, absolutely solid at the back.
He's also captaining very well. He's leading from the front. Imalka is the brother of Migara, who captained Trinity a few years back. Both were great number 8s, and we see that they have tremendous strength and speed for their side. We see also now Kingswood on the attack. There's only 10, they're on the 22 meters. Kingswood with their tails up, and this is Dev Anandan once again. And he puts points on the boards. This man is in control.
Unbelievable, Ajit. He just manufactured that out of nothing, and that's the genius of the lad. From nowhere, he just simply floated it between the uprights. Kingswood up and sailing. I'm going to be out of here, so Ajit and Vimal will take you home now. Beautiful stuff. Wonderful day. Centenary celebrations right now. Behind the line.
Kingswood in control at Bokambara. They are making this a memorable event for their supporters and for their school. And 16 points up, 5 by 20 just try. And Dev Anand is coming up as a match winner for Kingswood.
Yes, Ajit, he's been a player. Now he's put on goals. He's converted a penalty. That's about 9 points that he's put on the board for Trinity, for Kingswood. I mean, these are the type of things that take winners out of teams.
Tremendous composure by this young man. What a kick. What a kick. And he just converted a penalty from 40 meters out. I was going back to this great event organized by the scrummage with Chris Salangoda, Achan Bhagwat, Nalin Vetasinghe, the events manager for this event. He's done such a great job putting this together with guys like Sali Udugama, member of the board of governors, past Sri Lanka, past army player and Trinity player, along with Janta Javadana and Tikiri Ellapola at the helm. They have been doing a great job in putting this event together. Trinity on the attack now. Vimal, do you think there's time for Trinity to get back into this game?
Well, there's about 5 minutes, but they're about 2 scores behind.
That's illegal. Yeah? So you have to cut it off. Don't do it again. Yes,
Time is running out for them.
Are you okay? Hey, Jina, you alright?
If you remember the last semi-final of the football, because Italy racked 2 goals within 2 minutes.
And the young...
You can always make it within 5 minutes if you...
Right. Okay, so that's words of wisdom by Vimal, and we'll see whether Trinity will take this kick or not. These are great. These are difficult decision for the captain, because they have to score twice and they have to goal both tries if they have to win. So they have to score twice. So they opt for the line out in the hope that they should be able to score a try.
Ajit, but once you opt for that line out, you've got better distance. To get much closer, you got to have possession of the ball. I mean, they didn't get very much out of that kick. As we said earlier, I think the pressure is taking a lot on Trinity now.
Yes, Trinity Rugby back on its pedestal, what it was many years ago. For a few years we were languishing in the D division, not by commission but by omission, purely because Trinity didn't take part. And 2 years ago, Trinity formed a committee with Deva Pereira, Ashan Ratwate, technical committee. I'm having the privilege of chairing that committee. Got Nigel down with the help of AJ Joseph of New Zealand, the old boy who helped so much. With the other old boys against Michael Crone, who has made a great impact at Trinity. We are back. Trinity is back on the scene. All Trinitians, though we seem to be down now. Trinity is back, and last year they came back fighting, won the Bradby, and they want to do the same this year. They want to maintain that standard and perhaps win the B division tournament along with Royal St. Peters in that same tournament. Vimal, all the good schools. There are good schools in the A division, of course, Kingswood and others, but in the B division there are a lot of schools that would have been in the forefront.
Now Trinity has to make use of all opportunities that they get once they're in there. The earlier one, they got the line out, they did a crook throw, but luckily for them, Kingswood was pulled up for pushing off the mark before the ball was put in, and therefore Trinity gets a free kick.
I think they have somebody sin bin, a yellow card perhaps. And this is Madhuma Patibande, the Trinity captain, leading from the front with Dean supporting. Just a few inches from the line. Can Trinity score? If they score here, they have to score fast and go back for another try to win this match. A huge tussle, all with the wrong body angles. Who has scored the mark?
Break up.
That will be a 5 yards come, I believe. If you don't see what's happening. Be the Trinity ball.
It's the Trinity ball because they were inside the goal area. Therefore, the ball has ended, and there was no signs of who could have scored. If the attacking side, Trinity gets the ball there.
As the evening fades away here,
2.5 minutes left.
light is fading away, and we see that the crowd is agog here. Few minutes to go, and Trinity score this try. They need to score twice.